Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about ChatGPT. If you haven't heard of it, it's a chatbot that you can ask programming questions and get a programming solution. Let's try it out and see how good it actually is. So my first question is, write a Python function that returns a list of primary numbers using the number parameter passed in. Okay, that's a pretty advanced solution. It's given me a list of numbers and then it's gone through calculating the prime numbers, but it's using a list comprehension to do it. That's pretty advanced answer. I've asked this question before and I didn't get this answer before. I got another way of doing it. But yeah, it just goes to show that it seems to learn or give you better answers every time you ask the same question. Write a Python function that will return the Fibonacci sequence of a parameter passed in. Okay, so there's also quite an advanced solution. So we can always take that code and test it. Okay, so there we have the code. We're going to test it and we're going to print what it returns. Okay, so there it is, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19, which is correct. Let's try 100. Okay, so let's test this other code. Okay, that's pretty big numbers, so let's use something that's smaller. It's 10. Okay, so yeah, I'm asking it to write a Python script that connects to a list of SQL servers and returns the SQL version that is written out to a file with the server name followed by the SQL version. So let's see what script solution it gives me for that. Okay, that's pretty impressive. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to the channel and have a great day. Cheers.